right, first graders, this is day 2 of our OI sound for Phonics PowerPoint. Yesterday, we learned that the boy card says oi, oi. We have two spellings for the oi sound. We have O-I, like in the word boil, and we have O-Y, like in the word toy. Once again, boy card says oi. We have this word right here. It has O-Y. We know that says oi. We are going to sound it out together. J, oi. The whole word is joy. Let's try this one. We have O-I, which says oi. Ready? Blend. Oi. Oil. What's the word? Oil. Okay, try some on your own. Think. Say. Think. Say. Think. Say. If you said point, you are correct. All right, this is two words. Let's break it up. Think. Word is joy. Second word, full. Joyful. The whole word together is joyful. Think. Say. Moist. Think. Say. Soil. Think. Say. Oink. Think. Say. Broil. All right, let's do some blending. Ready? Blend. J. Oi. Whole word is v. Ois. Whole word is on your own. Go ahead. Sound, sound, sound. Whole word is point. B. Word is. All right, stretch it out. Listen to me first. B. Oi. Oh, boil. Your turn. Oi. Oh, word is. Oi. Word is. J. Oi. Word is. Word is. Word is. Word is. Word is. Word is. Moist. Word is. Word is. That's kind of a tricky one. We have n, j, oi, enjoy. Enjoy. What's the word? Next word. Oh, this is a review from last week. Remember the OW and OU. Say ow. This word is cow. Next word. B, oi. Whole word is cow. Boy, what's the word? Good. All right, this word is oi. Oh, what's the word? Foil. You are going to change F to S. Think. Say. Soil. What's the word? Add a P after the S. Think. Say. Spoil. Get rid of SP. Think. Say. Add a B at the front of the word. Think. Say. Boil. Get rid of the L. Think. Say. Boy, and we change the spelling to OY instead of OI because it's at the end of a word. Change B to T. Think. Say. Toy. Change T to R. Think. Say. Roy. All right, we are going to read a story called Roy and Mr. Boy. First thing we're going to do is find any words that have our oi sound. All right, so we have Roy was a pig. He lived on a big farm. He enjoyed eating a lot. He enjoyed rolling in the mud even more. We had three words that had the oi sound. You try to read it by yourself now. Ready? Read. Roy. He. He enjoyed eating. All right, next page. There was one thing Roy did not enjoy. That was Mr. Boy, the cat. Mr. Boy howled and howled. There's our ow sound. That annoyed Roy and spoiled his day. So that means that he ruined his day. Spoiled means not good or old. I'm going to read. When I stop, you are going to fill in the blank where I stopped. Ready? There was one Roy did not. That was the Mr. howled and howled. That Roy and spoiled his. All right, read along with me. Ready? Read. Mr. Boy annoys us all, said Miss Joy the cow. Troy the dog said he makes too much noise. We need to teach him a lesson. On this next page, I'm going to find some words that are kind of tricky. This word right here is called. What's the word? This word right here is meeting. What's the word? This word right here is animals. What's the word? This word right here is forces. What's the word? And this word is choices. What's the word? You try to read this page by yourself. I'll give you just a second. Ready? Read. Roy. All right, last page. Read along with me. In the morning, Floyd the rooster woke the animals. Mr. Boy was still asleep. All the animals started howling. Mr. Boy was annoyed. So their plan was, since Mr. Boy always annoyed them by howling, that they would all howl early in the morning to wake him up. Last page, ready? Read. Mr. Boy yelled, "Stop the noise! I get the point." And he really did. Mr. Boy never annoyed Roy again. All right, let's look at some high frequency words. This word is above. What's the word? Spell it. A-B-O-V-E. Above. Tell your family a sentence that has the word above in it. Next word is build. What's the word? Spell it. B-U-I-L-D. Tell your family a sentence that has the word build in it. This word is fall. What's the word? Spell it. F-A-L-L. Tell your family a sentence that has the word fall in it. This word is new. What's the word? We spell new. K N E W. Don't forget that K. It is silent, but don't forget it. You spell it with me. Ready? Spell K N E W. Tell your family a word that has the word new in it. Next word is money. What's the word? Spell it. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Tell your family a sentence that has the word money in it. Our last high frequency word is toward. What's the word? Spell it. T-O-W-A-R-D. Toward. The dog ran toward you. Go ahead and tell your family a sentence with the word toward. All right, the last thing we're going to talk about today is a preposition. A preposition connects one part of a sentence to another part of the sentence. So if I said, the dog is bed, that doesn't really make sense because we need a preposition to go in the middle. The dog is on the bed. The word on is the preposition. So a prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. So the preposition above connects the word the light is and the porch. Because if we just said the light is the porch, that doesn't really make sense. We need to tell where the light is. So the light is above the porch. Let's try some other ones. We can use prepositions for, in, or on. So snow is for the ground, in the ground, or on the ground. Correct answer is on. Snow is on the ground. Now, if we just said snow is the ground, that doesn't make sense. That's why we need to add that preposition in there. Next sentence. I put your mittens blank in your coat. Oh, looks like we already had the word in there. I put your mittens, your coat pocket. I put your mittens for your coat pocket, in your coat pocket, or on your coat pocket. And the correct answer is in, which we already had written there. There is a prize blank building the best snowman. There is a prize for building the best snowman, in building the best snowman, or on building the best snowman. The correct answer is for. So there is a prize for building the best snowman. That's all we have for Phonics PowerPoint Day 2 for OI. Thanks for following along. See you tomorrow.